Alright, it's Ankole Media. I think this I'm a sober Sparks and one savage on it. Yes, sir. Today has been a busy day. Mtaone Yambara. To graduation ya Bishop Stewart University. Big ups on yourselves. When I was graduating, yes, it's a deserved win. But it don't singling. I'm someone who are representing the showbiz fraternity. The man himself, Prince Ema Yajwara, aka
Fabulous. Wagwan, bro. Orikidia.
Congratulations about today.
Bro, it's been a hectic journey. But at the end of it, I'm a winner.
So, by the way, which course have you been pursuing?
Been doing bachelor's in journalism and mass communication. Yes.
Professionalism.
Kugira ngo simanyi omuntu omuhura already arigamba ngo gutarashomere. So twiza proving abantu kugira ngo tushomere. That's why we are here now. Yeah.
Okay. So how has the journey been? Because balancing showbiz, balancing because for us tobe namunonga celebrities akantu kugaruka mu kitabo nkijaka tukwata ko.
Kwanza cyabyona yunko muntu no kubo yine strategies na necho kukunda. Wanorana ukunda ekintu no tekwa kuchikora. So I've been balancing like both music and books. But of course nabyo tubyanguhire kushanga no kukora music. You have a family and again oza university kushoma, so tibyanguhira at all konka no kwehayo, it's like a sacrifice kwehayo kugira ngo inocho kwenda obe maybe ombwirwa misho. And yeah,
so that's umukumnaka like doing because like during omnaka mkwegoku like how has been relationship with the other people, of course being a known figure, like how has it been relating with the people about audience yao?
Of course, first time kunizire BSU, na nkashanga haba nabayimbamanya like my fans, you know, and they were so happy. Bakashemera kushanga omuntu bakureba TV, omuntu bakura radio, and indeed hatuba mwino mu class nibashoma mweso bakabashemera munonga.
Was it easy for you correlating and because toto ina makavimbo?
At first akavimbo nkakarimwe konka the end of it waza ishomero no maichi kuba chikutwire, of course. Ori no mwana wishomero andi na inimba ndi mwana wishomero akavimbo no karekara heru wawizo motoka yawe uri kuvimba ka stop parking hari otaho mu class ninga mu lecture room
graduate.
Yes, indeed konkani babitanguhire. Yes.
So then umjeje of course ni manya no kintu cha tuition no cho raise in your age. I don't expect you kutanga no inaba kukwatro binje chiri yao. How has it been finding a sente kan go bizo?
Mbasa kwa ka sente nketerire, but at the end of the day, of course I have guardians, so inaba ntabo kubantu bakwaburumba bintu bitari mwe na bimwe, you understand. Sente chechamani, you can just give me, let's say, a great advice or just Ema no manya, let's say wakore because nekuyambe chine. So indeed I've been funding everything for myself, but still I have some people that I can appreciate, yes, for that.
So now that you have graduated, what is going to be your next step? Like what should we expect from you? Takabasa ko bana ndako bankoza kwana ngo mukaheri anga sitakuchimanya.
Apana ati uko kuna tanje kushoma, of course wera takuchimanya. So muri mwana gwabaho, of course public neza gumanya naenda kwesimba still muza kuchimanya.
Now uri ringambo ngo these celebrities are going to garchomchi education numweshana mwenda kubasa kwa mwasa ngo mwenjombi fuzi. How true is that?
Of course you know you cannot predict the future, but I believe ngo chizo mtime yacho no basa kuchikora. So nintekateka chija abantu banje bansha bakaja, you know, Mr. Ema yesimba otuhereze because in politics no kuhereza abantu. So abantu banje bansha of course nibasa kwesimba teenage kwetagisa documents zero everything be okay.
Okay. Yes. So ugunwami ngoko kumureba ilizo bamurara muko Ema wito waburiju. Yes, ngoko kumureba. By the way, you're so smart, by the way. I agree with that.
Thank you, bro. Akavimbo okay ko. So guys nimbeta mwa batarashomero mugarike
most especially eche nango gambe na munonga ga celebrities showbiz
for some good years back to them to, you know, to survive in that talents zitu konka talents inez koma
professionalism
indeed. So mugarike mushome wano mangu toshomere kan oriyo mnyamahure garike shome, of course even to byanguhire at the end of it
the artists ka gamba chana nka cha media bonkana nabe
abeshongozi waitsi babeshongozi nabatina because noko ziri zina lyawe ryo mweshongozi wa mani abantu bachimangu oshomere kandi ibintu yes abamwe batina kora za takes abamwe batina kushwara, you understand. But of course challenges zona omuntu nozirabamu ohikaruna kunkoro, and I'm so happy.
So, ladies and gentlemen, Mkuru Prince Ema Royal, we wish you nothing but all the best in the next chapter of your life. Yes, sir. Bantumwe, na nyonjala kubagambira ngu this is a deserved win for him, by the way, because it wabari gomuchinte chinto tukuchomanya kubalansinga time karango ino kugendo katera gigejo katera gigejo at the same time ukakore bitabo. It's so sad.
Mwena bali ya Ankole TV ni mbeta mwisho wanje omukakatete. Tushebere tunywe bwa bia tunywe chi tulie nyama, you know, everything.
Tabantu atano kutobasa tu.
Mwena mwizo. As long as the Ankole TV na kweta.
So see you at the ladies and gentlemen, and respect 9 Savage camera. See when you see me.